So guys, I found one of the best and simplest ways to use Claude to help you create faceless YouTube videos. Now you probably noticed on YouTube that there's countless different videos of people showing you how to use Claude, whether it's Claude Code or the regular interface, to create faceless automated videos that you can upload to YouTube. But one thing that I've noticed out of all of these videos is that they're very complicated when it comes to you getting a simple video made. You probably know what I'm talking about. The videos that show you how to install Claude Code. From there, you need to install another editing software. You need to have basic level experience with coding just for you to get a simplistic video that you can upload to a faceless channel. And it doesn't need to be that complicated. There's very easy ways that you can use Claude directly within the interface for you to get videos made. And in today's video, I want to show you exactly how this can be done, even if you're a complete beginner. The method that I'm going to show you today, no one else on the internet has spoken about it. No one else has shown this method. So you're going to be one of the first ones to benefit from it. Now, the way that this is going to work is that you need to install a specific MCP. Now, for those of you that's not really sure of exactly what MCP is, why you need it, and how it works, it stands for Modal Context Protocol. I know that might sound a little bit complicated, but don't click off yet because everything I'm going to show you is very, very straightforward. All an MCP is a way for you to connect Claude to an already existing website, platform, or software. And if you're someone that's looking for a way to streamline your faceless video production system, one of the best tools that you need to know of is this one on the screen, Digital Maker AI. To be honest, you don't even need to use Claude if you want to create faceless videos with this because you can sign up to it, you can check it out. There's so many different formats, so many different ways that you can use it. But there's a new update that has recently come out where Digital Maker AI now has a Claude MCP connector. This means that once you create your account with Digital Maker AI, you can control most things within your Claude account. That includes making faceless videos, making all of your images, including your thumbnails, any animated characters, your profile image, your banner, so on and so forth. Think about the potential of this. You can now use one of the most powerful AI tools out there, which is Claude, one of the best AI video makers together when it comes to being able to help you streamline your video making process. And you can also use Claude when it comes to helping you with other areas as well. But don't worry, we're going to break down everything in today's video. I'm going to show you exactly how all of this works and how you can do it yourself. By the end of this video, you're going to get a full understanding. Now, one of the first steps is going to be to create an account with Digital Maker AI if you don't already have one. If you do have one, then of course you can skip the step. But if you don't have one, what you're going to need to do is visit this website. You can do so by clicking the top link in my description down below. Once you see this homepage, what you're then going to do is click on Get Started for free. And then from there, you can sign up using a Google email address, Gmail, or a regular email address. Bear in mind that this tool is currently being used by 30,000 active users. People are using it all around the world, so it's definitely something that's worth checking out. But yeah, you just need to create your account. And once you've done so, you're then going to see this page. It's going to be from here where you now need to upgrade your account for you to get the full functions of being able to make videos. So you can either do so using the premium plan or the ultimate plan. I would recommend to go onto the pricing page, see exactly which one you need, pick the right one. I'm also going to leave a discount code in the description down below to give you a further discount. But once you've upgraded your account, it's going to be from the settings section where you're going to get all the instructions, all the steps for you to connect your Digital Maker AI account directly to your Claude account. Just click into settings. From there, you're going to see the option for Claude MCP. Once over here, what you need to do is click on Create a Key. You should then see name and URL. I'm going to blur it out because this is going to be a very important URL that you also need to make sure that you don't share with anyone else because this is what you're going to use for you to authorize Claude to take certain actions on your Digital Maker AI account, which includes being able to generate faceless videos. And of course, you're going to have a certain credit/usage and you don't want anyone else using it. So just be mindful of who you give this URL to. But once you've now got this, it's then going to give you the instructions as to how you can make the connection happen. So if you go over here to step 2, it's going to let you know that you need to go over to Claude, open settings, connectors, add custom connector, and then follow through with everything else. But of course, I'm going to show you everything that goes into it right now. First things first, you're going to go back over to your Claude account and you're going to click into this. It's going to be over here where you're mainly going to see all of your recent chats that you've had with Claude. I'm going to blur it out because of course there's some sensitive information, but what you're going to need to click on to complete this connection is going to be customize. Then go over here to where it says connectors, and then you need to click on add and then click on add custom connector. And this is the page that you should see. All you need to do is copy those 2 lines, the name, which is going to be Digital Maker AI, and then the URL, the one that I told you to block. So I'm going to do that right now. I'm just going to copy all of this information and then click on add, and then you're going to see this page. So once again, I'm going to blur out my URL. If you're wondering why there's so many blurs on the screen, because the URL shows up in so many places. But what you're going to then do is click on connect, and there we go. Just like that, the connection has now been made, and it's going to be here where you can see everything that you're capable of doing. You're going to be able to create an animated character, create a video, generate images, look at certain things on your account. But I'm going to show you some of the most basic things in today's video. You don't need to worry too much about this. You could just leave this as it is and close it down. But now that we've done all of that, I'm going to put it to the test, and I'm going to show you how it can make a video where you don't need to show your face, you don't need to use your voice, you don't need to script the video out yourself, you don't need to know any editing, any graphic design skills. All you need to do is just tell it exactly what video you want it to make, and it's going to be able to go away and do so. Of course, with certain limitations based on what type of videos Digital Maker AI is capable of doing. But one thing that's good about it is that it is really good at generating trending faceless videos that are doing really well right now. But the first thing that I'm going to need to do, and you need to do as well, is to make sure that the MCP is actually turned on. The way that you can do that is by clicking on the plus icon, going over here to where it says connectors. And as you can see, I've got this list of different connectors that I'm personally using, but I should see the Digital Maker AI connection. Yep, it's right there, and it's also turned on, which is perfect. So I'm now going to be able to go straight into my first question, which is going to be something easy just to get you guys understanding how this entire thing works. I'm just going to say, what are the top 10 niches for a faceless channel in 2026 with good revenue potential? The reason why I'm asking this question is because this is what you may want to do if you don't already have a channel set up already, because you're going to be able to get ideas on what's working and what you could potentially replicate based on a niche that you have some sort of knowledge in. So what I'm going to do is just press enter. Let's see exactly what it's going to come back with. Okay guys, there we go. It's now coming back with all of these different niches, all of these different topics that I could go away, do a little bit more research into, to find one that's going to be the best one for me. Now I already know what niche I'm going to make a video in when it comes to showcasing how this Digital Maker AI connector works with Claude. But yeah, this is a step that I'll definitely recommend you guys take, because from this, you're going to be able to not only see the niches that are doing well, but you're also going to see the estimated CPM rates for all of the different niches as well. CPM, by the way, is how much you're going to get paid per every single 1,000 views. So as soon as you become monetized, you're then going to be in a position where you can start earning monthly AdSense payments, and YouTube is going to pay you per 1,000 views depending on your niche. This is a big misconception that a lot of beginners make, is that they assume that every single niche pays the same when that isn't true. But yeah, for this example, I'm going to move forward with personal finance. You guys already know that this is a topic that I like to use as an example because it's very simple, but it's also a topic that I've got a lot of experience in. So what I'm going to do is just move on to the next prompt, which is going to be this one. I'm just going to say, give me 10 channels within the personal finance niche. So the reason why I'm asking for 10 different faceless channels is because I want to see what other people are doing. I want to see if they are using a certain format that I can make myself. I want to see if their channel's doing well. And I also want to see if it's a channel that I could potentially replicate. Now, I do want to say one thing, that when you're replicating a channel, you want to make sure that you're not copying them outright. You just want to use them as inspiration. So we're going to see exactly what Claude is going to come back with. And I'm also going to see if I'm able to make a very similar video using this Claude Digital Maker MCP connector. So let me click on enter and wait for this to load up. Okay, and there we go. So these are the different channels that Claude came back with. And I believe that what Claude did is that it took some of the channels directly from the Faceless Finder in Digital Maker AI. If I go over to my account, as you guys can see, this is something that you're also going to have access to. This is being updated all the time with various different faceless channels. I would say that it's a lot easier for you to find different channels that you might want to replicate using this rather than going directly onto YouTube, because you're going to find a whole bunch of channels where people are showing their face mixed with faceless ones, which means it's going to take a lot longer for you to find whatever channel you're looking for. But with this, you could just filter it as per whatever niche you're looking to get into. So for me, I'm looking to get into personal finance or investing, so I could just select any one of them like that. And we can see that a lot of the channels that it came back with are also here as well. So yeah, either or, you can use this, you can go directly onto Claude. It's really down to you. But now that I've got all of these different channels that I can replicate, I'm just going to pick one of these channels. Let's go with this one. I believe I've showcased this on my channel before. Let's check it out. Okay, so this is the channel right here, as you guys can see. Definitely fully animated, automated, faceless channel. There's no one actually on screen. And the reason why this channel has always stood out to me is the fact that it was started not too long ago. Let me just click on more. We can see that this channel was started in 2025, which means that it was less than a year ago, and they're about to cross over 8 million views. So this type of channel where they don't need to show their face, they don't need to record any videos themselves, has allowed them to build a channel that they can post every single day without getting burnt out. And as you guys already saw, if I click on the popular tab, we can see that one of their most popular videos was able to get almost 2 million views in just 5 months. So yeah, I'm going to show you exactly what I'll do if I wanted to use Claude to help me remake a similar video to this. Let's just click into it. You guys can see that it's, a very simple format. We've got subtitles. We've got these different images on screen. We've also got all of these different scenes as well. So it's a very simple video, and this is the perfect type of format that you can use with the MCP connector. And this actually brings me on to one of the initial things that you can do with Claude and Digital Maker AI, which is that you can use it when it comes to creating an animated character like this. So what I'm going to do is just take a screenshot of this character, and I'm just going to drag and drop the character in there just like that. And I'm just going to say, I want you to remake this animated character, but make it a male version instead with the name Sam. Same type of suit, but gray. And I've also given it some information over there as well. So I'm just going to click on enter. Let's see if it's able to action this. What you should see is this pop-up box that's going to ask you if you're happy to move forward with this. So you can either do it so that Claude has automatic permissions by clicking on always allow, which is something I would recommend. But if you wanted to confirm every single step, what you could do is click on allow once. Let's go with that so that we can see exactly what it's doing as it's doing it. Because as we can see, Claude is now creating the character. It's going through the list of available characters so that it can build out the right one. Just think about it, guys. You don't need to have any graphic design skills. You don't need to know how to use Canva or anything like that. Literally, you can use this MCP to create an animated character simply from a screenshot, or even if you wanted to create one from scratch, you can do so by simply explaining it. Okay, there we go. So it's letting me know that the character has now been created. If I wanted to take a look at exactly how it looks and if I'm happy with it, I'm going to be able to do so by going directly to my account. So within your account, if you just go over to history and then click into the image history, you're then going to see the image that it was able to make. And I would say that it's done a really good job. You could ask Claude directly in the chat to show you the image as well. But here we go. This is the image that it was able to come back with. And now that I've got the character that I want to use in the video, the next prompt that I can enter is going to be this one, where I'm going to say that now I want you to make the actual animated cartoon style video. I want it to be 1 minute long, and I want it to use the character. I've mentioned it there. And for the title of the video, I'm just going to go back over to this channel, and I'm going to get the title for this video that was able to get almost 2 million views. So I'm just going to copy it for the sake of this video. And of course, you want to make sure that you're doing the right research to make sure that you're also creating the best video possible. I'm only showing you all of this for demonstration purposes so that you can see exactly how you can make a video directly within the Claude interface. So I'm just going to use this title for today. And then what I'm going to do is click on enter. And straight away, what it's going to do is come back with certain questions. So it's going to ask you what type of voiceover do you want, because there's going to be an AI voiceover. You're not going to have to, of course, use your own voice. It's going to ask you, do you want US, UK? And what it's going to do is ask you some clarifying questions. So one of the first ones is, what voice do you want to narrate the video? I'm going to say that I want it to be US male. Do I want it to include any call to actions in the script? I'm going to say that I want it to have subscribe and like. And then from there, I can now give it the permission to make the video. And there we go right there. As you guys can see, it's creating the video right before our very eyes. The video is now rendering. Everything is being edited together. None of this had to be done within the Digital Maker AI interface. Of course, you can go directly onto it and make a video if you want to. But if you're used to using the Claude interface, you're going to be able to go onto it just like this and automate the process of generating these faceless videos. So yeah, I'm going to give it a few minutes. As you can see right there, it's telling me to give it just a few minutes for it to make this video, because I only wanted to generate a 1-minute video to show you guys how it works. You can generate a video up to 30 minutes long as well, but I only wanted to do 1 minute just so that you guys can see how it works and I don't have to spend too much time waiting for it to load. But whatever the case is, as soon as it's done, I'm going to be back straight away and I'm going to show you the next step. Okay, so it's been a few minutes. What I'm going to do is just ask it if the video is finished yet. Now, bear in mind, you are going to receive an email once the video has finished. This is what the email is going to look like. It's going to notify you straight away as soon as the video is ready for you to view. So you can just click directly into this. It actually emailed me around 4 minutes ago, so it didn't take too long for this video to generate. But yeah, you can also view the finished version of the video directly in your account as well. So here we go. This is the 1-minute video that I asked it to make. So what I'm going to do, as always, you guys know, I'm going to play a short snippet of it. Probably all of it because it's only 1 minute long, just so that you can see exactly how the video came out.
Here's the truth nobody wants to hear. You can't earn your way to financial stability. You have to spend less than you make. That's it. That's the entire game. If you're new here, hit subscribe so you don't miss the strategies that actually work. Most people chase higher salaries, side hustles, and passive income streams. They're looking everywhere except the one place that matters: their own spending. The math is simple and brutal. If you earn $10,000 and spend $11,000, you're broke, no matter how hard you worked. But here's where it gets powerful. When you flip that ratio, when you spend less than you make, something shifts. That single principle cascades into 4 interconnected habits that compound into unshakable financial peace. Emergency funds become possible. Quality over quantity makes sense. Automation clicks into place. And lifestyle inflation loses its grip. If this is landing for you, drop a like. These aren't complicated rules. They're not trendy or sexy. They're boring, reliable, and they work. And boring, my friend, is exactly what builds freedom from financial anxiety for life.
Okay, not bad at all. That is the full video that it was able to make. Bear in mind, once again, guys, I can make a video up to 30 minutes long, but there's no point in wasting my credits when you guys are able to see exactly how it works from a 1-minute example. And over here, I can make any adjustments to it. All of this could be done within Claude, but I might as well show you the interface whilst we're here. If I wanted to change any of the effects, I'm going to be able to do so in this section. The subtitles I can also update. And if I also wanted to change any of the scenes as well that appear in the video, I can easily come down here, click on regenerate, type in exactly what I want to be in the scene. Or if I want Digital Maker AI to surprise me, I can click on this. Or I can upload my own image and I can change the script for every single scene as well. So yeah, there's a lot of flexibility, but if I wanted to download it, I'm going to be able to do so by clicking on download MP4. And this isn't the only thing that you can do with this new MCP connector. You're also able to generate thumbnails for your videos. So if I wanted Claude to make a thumbnail right now, I can ask it to do so and it will give me the direct link. I don't need to make the thumbnail myself. I can ask it for the best concept. I could take a screenshot of my competitors' thumbnails, and then from there, it's going to come back with a ready to use image that I can upload to YouTube straight away. But yeah, I'm sure that you guys are blown away by how simple this is. As I've already mentioned, you know, there's a lot of videos on YouTube right now that are talking about Claude Code or just Claude generally to create all of these faceless videos, but they require so many different steps, so many different installations, so much knowledge on how coding works. But with this, you're able to make a video within a few minutes by telling it exactly what video you want it to make. There's no back and forth. You don't need to install 100 things. Once you've connected that one MCP connector with Digital Maker AI, from there, everything else is going to be straightforward. But yeah, for the most part, those are the key things that I wanted you guys to know. If you've enjoyed this video, you've learned anything, you got any sort of value from it, don't forget to press the like button. I really appreciate that. Don't forget to check out Digital Maker AI, link down below, whether you want to use the regular interface or if you want to use this new MCP connector. You're going to find all the information in the description as well as a coupon code as well. If you wanted to watch another YouTube video that I made not too long ago where I'm going to be able to spend a little bit more time breaking down the step-by-step process of being able to build a faceless YouTube channel from scratch, things that I didn't have time to talk about in today's video, you're going to be able to watch that by clicking the link on screen right there. Be sure to watch that straight after this because that video has already helped out countless people. And I'm sure if you're able to watch it from the very start all the way to the very end, it's going to be able to help you out as well. But as always, guys, I'm going to catch you on that next video. Make sure you stay safe out there. Peace.